Students, today we are going to start standard 6th maths practice set 10. So in first part I have taught you addition and subtraction. Now in the second part I will show you question number 3. Suyash brought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish brought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? That means we will see the Suyash brought 2.5 kg, Ashish brought 3.5 kg. Now what we have to see that they buy all together, and the sugar per 1 kg, that is 32 rupees. Now how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? We have to see that. Now we will solve and see. Now Suyash, that is 2.5, and Ashish 3.5. We will plus and see, because we have to see the together how much they spend. So first I will do this. This is mixed fraction. I will convert it into improper fraction first. So how we have to convert? 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, that will give you 5. 5 upon 2, because denominator should be same. Now plus sign as it is. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, and upon 2. Now 5 plus 7 I will write here, and denominator is same, so 1 time 2. Now 5 plus 7, that will give you 12, 2. Now in 2's table 12 go. How much are 2? 6 are. So answer will be 6. But what we have to see in this, if a sugar costs 32 rupees per kg, that means I will multiply 32 with 6. That means 6 multiplied by 32, that will give you 192. So the answer will be, therefore they bought together 6 kg of sugar. They spent rupees 192 on sugar. Now we will start second. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden, greens in 1/3 part, and brinjal in the remaining part. How much of her plot did she plant brinjals? That means Aradhana plot potatoes in 2/5 part plus 1/3 part green. So I have written here, and the remaining part of brinjal, but they didn't given the fraction of this. So first we will find potatoes and greens. So I have written here. Now the denominator is different, so first we will interchange the denominator. That means 5 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 5. That will give you 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, plus 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. Now the denominator is same, so I will write here 6 plus 5 upon 15. Now that will give you 11 upon 15. Now in this we have to find that, and in the remaining part brinjal we have to see the remaining part. So we will write here 1 minus the answer of 11 upon 15. So I have written here. Now in this we will see 15 ones are 15, and minus 11, denominator will be same, 15. Now 15 minus 11, that will give you 4, and 15 as it is. Now 4 upon 15. So therefore Aradhana planted brinjal in 4/15 part of the plot. Now we will see third sum. Sandeep filled water in 4/7 of an empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled 1/4 part more of the same tank. Then Umesh used 3/14 part of the tank to water the garden. If the tank has a maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters of water will be left in the tank? That means Sandeep filled 4/7 part, and Ramakant filled 1/4 part of tank. But Umesh has taken out the water for giving to a garden, that is 314 part. And what you have to see, if the tank has maximum capacity, that is 560, that means the tank is containing 560 liters. तो हाउ मच लीटर ऑफ वाटर विल बी लेफ्ट इन द टैंक, तो कितना पानी टैंक में बच जाएगा 314 पार्ट निकालने के बाद. सो इन दिस वी विल सी संदीप, दैट इज 4/7 plus I will write 1/4 because they both has filled the tank. And who take out it? Umesh take out it water from it. So I will write here minus 3/14. Now I will do this. First I will hide this and see. In this, the same thing we will do. The denominator is different. First we will change the denominator, that is I will give 4 to here, that means interchange it. So 7 4s are 28 and 4 7s are 28, that means denominator is same. 4, now here 4 into 4 and 1 7s are 7, like this same thing I have written here. Now 4 4s are 16 and 1 7s are 7. Now this is 28 and this is 28. Now in this what you have to do, you have to see that 14 को हम ऐसा क्या करेंगे जिससे हमें 28 मिलेगा. तो हम 14 2s are 28 which we will get, so we will multiply with this 2. Okay, we remember this thing. 3 2s are 6 and 14 2s are 28. Now the 3 denominator is same, so I will write this one time, and 16 plus 7 minus 6. 16 plus 7, that is 23. So 23 minus 6 I will do, I will get 17. So 17 upon 28. Now 17 upon 28 multiply by 560. Why 560 I have taken? Because if the tank has a maximum capacity of 560 liters, मतलब टैंक जो है वो 560 लीटर्स का है, so that's why capacity उसका है. So we will multiply this, but in this we will cancel it. See here, 28 into 560. This will go with one table, like see, suppose I will write here and show you. 17 upon 28 into 560. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Similarly, this also with 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, that will give you 1. So 16. In 2 table 16 come. How much are? 2 8s are 16 and 0 as it is. Again I will do with 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is. Now with 2 tables 7 doesn't go, so I will change the table. I will take 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 and 0 as it is. Now 2 is there, sorry 20 is there, so and 17 was remaining. So 17 multiplied by 20 I will do. So 17 multiplied by 20, that will give you 340 liters. Now therefore the answer will be 340 liters of water is left in the tank. So thank you student. In the next video I will show you practice set 11.